Jakarta's river cleaning officers since Thursday night has continued to remove garbage that has closed the Manggarai sluice gate in central Jakarta. Using heavy equipment, the officer lifted various kinds of garbage and debris that were carried by water currents from upstream. Officials estimated they have removed as much as 60 cubic meters of garbage.
Ya ini mungkin sampah, memang sampah dari hulu ya, istilahnya sampah yang kemarin hujan tapi nyangkut di tiang-tiang sepanjang aliran kali Ciliwung ini. Sehingga baru hari ini tiba di sini, ya itu kurang lebih sekitar 46 kubik sampah.
The current debit of the river is 700 centimeters and it still has the potential to rise if it rains upstream for the next few days. Elsewhere, in Depok, West Java, military and civilian officials from the city on Friday manually cleaned the drains of the Crooked Street, a road that is prone to flooding during the rainy season. Their territorial section head of the Greater Jakarta Military Regional Command's main regiment, Major Sunarjo, said his unit has deployed hundreds of personnel to clean the Mampang River. He hoped that the flood will no longer inundate the Crooked Street, which is one of the main roads in Depok City.
Tujuannya selain juga mencegah banjir, kita juga mengangkat sampah atau limbah-limbah sampah yang notabene di musim hujan ini juga akan berdampak terhadap mungkin jentik nyamuk dan mungkin juga demam berdarah. Ya, mungkin di sela-sela sampah-sampahnya ini kan gitu untuk tempat berpenuh nyamuk ya. Sehingga kita bersihkan, kita angkat.
As much as 500 kilograms of waste and mud were disposed using trucks. It was planned that the cleaning of the waterways will be held regularly during the rainy season. See Today contributors reporting from Jakarta and Depok.